What's this philosophy of kind of buying companies, no money down?
Well, it's really funny. I see all the time. I mean, lots of people on the internet going, "No, it's not possible. It's impossible. It's all a scam." They're talking crap and everything else. And then another group of people that just go, "Oh, it's LBOs. It's leverage buyouts." And we don't do leverage buyouts. I have quite a few people in the Harbour Club community who do. It's a very well-trodden path. It's probably I think a lot of people just look at the similarities, with real estate. And real estate is you stick some money down, you borrow the rest, and you own a company. For me, I don't like doing that with small businesses because small businesses are a very volatile asset, and you shouldn't really borrow money to buy a volatile asset. And if you think about it, would you mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin? Now, there's a segment of your audience that would, but them aside. You shouldn't. It's not prudent to borrow money and buy a volatile asset. And yet people do it all the time with small businesses without really thinking through the fact that if two key staff members leave or two key customers leave, the dynamics of this thing changes enormously. What they tend to look at is if we just sold one more sofa a week, this thing's going to be worth $1 gazillion. They always look on the upside, but never on the downside. Yeah. And I guess one of the big lessons I learned in my business career is don't worry about the upside. The upside's the icing on the cake. It's the bonus. If it comes, it's great. Worry about the downside. If you can take an asymmetric bet where you can't lose, then you only leave the opportunity to win or worst case scenario, waste a bit of time. So cover that downside on the way in.